Today I will explain you how to write an equation using models or using tiles. First, you need to remember that an equation means when two things are equal or when we have an unbalanced situation. If you have the same quantity in the left side, you need to have the same quantity in the right side. So an equation means that two things are equal. And we use a scale balance to represent these models. For example, here we need to write this equation of this model. We have these models, we have these rectangles with a variable y, because we don't know the number or the weight of these things. We have plus 1, we have another 1, and in the other side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We represent these rectangles with y because we don't know what quantity do we have there. So we use variables to represent the unknown quantities. So the equations for this model will be 3y, why 3y? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 3y. So it's a 3 multiplied by the quantity of y. Plus 2 because we have these two, 1 and 2, and we call this one constant, equal 7. We write 7 because we had 7 units here. And this is the model, and this is the equation for this model. In the second one, we have 1, 2, 3. This square, we don't know what is the measurement or what is the pound or what is the quantity or how many things do we have here. And we have this one and this one. So we have x plus x, 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 and x, or it's a x plus x plus x plus x, plus this one plus this minus 2. So what do we have to do? In the other side we have this that represents the negative 2, and here represent the x. Then we have 4x. Why 4x? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we write the x, or it's a 4 multiplied by the x. Then we added the 1 because we have this one that represents 1, and then minus 2. And in the other side we are going to have x minus 2. X because represent this one, and the minus 2 that represent the red one. Now we are going to do the inverse process. We have the equation and we are going to try to represent this with a model. In this case, I'm going to use a scale, weight scale. So in this case, I'm going to use two containers to represent the unknown value. It's the variable m plus m, which is 2m. Then I'm going to add a marble to represent the quantity of 1. And then in the other side, to keep the balance or to keep the weight scale, the scales balance, I'm going to add 5 marbles. And we have, from the equation, we have the model of this equation.